9.1 Some applications of trigonometry. Sixth problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meters tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks toward the building. Find the distance he walked toward the building. That is our problem. First, we have to draw a diagram. See, what is the height of the building? Height of the building 30 meters. What is the height of the building? 30 meters. Next, yes. So, what is the height of the boy? 1.5 meters. So, this building, one by observing from some distance. He is observing the top of the building from some distance. What is the distance? We don't know that. So first, here, so the angle of elevation 30 degrees. So the starting point P, starting point P. So from this point, he is observing the top of the building. That time angle of elevation 30 degrees. He is walking towards the building. After some distance from there, angle of elevation 60 degrees. So this point Q. So he walked towards the building from point to point Q. Consider the first point A, B, C, D and E. So height of the building D, E. So the building height, let solution let DE height of the DE height of the building. So DE is equal to how much? Total 30 meters. So first DE is the height of the building. So DE is equals to 30 meters. Next, boy height AP. AP is the boy height. How much that? AP is equals to CE. So AP is equal to CE 1.5 meters. Now DE is equals to, here DE is equals to, here DE. So sorry, DC. DC is equals to DE minus CE. So DE 30 meters minus 1.5 meters is equals to 28.5 meters. So the DC height 28.5 meters. Now consider the triangle. Here consider the triangle ACD. See, in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD. So ACD is equals to, see and side opposite to angle 30 meters given. We want to find the distance A to C. So for that we need to take tan. Tan 30 degrees is equals to CD by AC. So CD value 28.5, DC or CD? 28.5 meters by AC. What is the tan value? Tan 30 value? Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 into 28.5 AC. AC is equals to 28.5 root 3. AC is equals to the distance from A to C 28.5. Next, consider the triangle BCD. Next, BCD. In triangle BCD, same tan 60 degrees. Now angle of elevation 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equals to CD by BC. CD by BC. Tan 60 value root 3. So root 3, tan 60 value root 3 is equals to same CD value 28.5 by BC. So BC is equals to 28.5 by root 3. Here rationalization, multiply numerator and denominator with root 3, then we will get 28.5 root 3 by 3. 28 point root 3 by 3. See 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 1.5. So 0.35 are 15. 9.5 root 3. What is 9.5 root 3? BC, the distance from B to C. See, first the distance from A to C. Distance from A to C, AC 28.5 root 3, and distance from B to C 9.5 root 3. Now what we have to find? Find the distance he walked towards the building. How much distance he walked? Point P to point PQ. It means point A to point B. So the distance AB is equals to AC minus BC. The distance A to B is equals to total distance minus B to C distance. So total distance how much? 28.5 root 3 minus P to C distance 9.5 root 3. 28.5 minus 9.5, 19 root 3. So 19 root 3 meters. So final, hence the distance he walked towards the building 19 root 3 meters is. Hence the distance he walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meters. Once again, see, let the DE height of the building DE 30 meters. Next up AP is the height of the boy. AB is the height of the boy, that is 1.5 meters. So here DC is equals to, so D to DC is equals to DE minus CE, total height minus boy height. So 30 meters minus 1.5 meters is equals to 28.5 meters. Next, see there, ACT is one triangle, BCD is one triangle. So from ACD triangle, tan 30 is equals to height by hypotenuse, height CD by hypotenuse AC, adjacent, height by adjacent, CD by AC is equals to 28.5 by AC. So tan 30 value, tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. So tan 30 value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals 28.5 by AC. So AC is equals to 28.5 root 3. Next, in triangle BCD, tan 60 is equals to opposite by adjacent, opposite CD, adjacent BCD. Tan 60 value root 3. Root 3 is equals 28.5 by BC. BC is equals to 28.5 by root